चतुर भाई, एक बार ना जब डेटा भेजोगे ना,
हम्म।
वो रीवैलिडेट एक बार चेक कर लेना यार, अगर होगा तो, है ना।
हाँ हाँ, वो सब चेकड है, कुछ उसमें आप उठा के वो पहले वाला भी चेक कर लो सब।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, मतलब क्या है, अभी मैंने एक भेज रहा हूँ ना, तो वो नहीं आना चाहिए, बस वो है।
नहीं 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 आएगा
चतुर
सर।
भाई, एक बार ना जब डेटा भेजोगे ना,
हम्म।
वो रीवैलिडेट एक बार। डबल आवाज क्यों आ रही है?
सर वो अभी इसको फुल स्क्रीन करो सर, नहीं आ रही अभी।
क्या नहीं आ रही?
सर इसको फुल स्क्रीन करो ना वीडियो को।
वीडियो तो आ जाएगा रे।
नहीं नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ फुल स्क्रीन कर दीजिए, वो थोड़ा नीचे ऐसे दिख रहा है ना।
क्या, कहाँ है? फुल स्क्रीन है ही नहीं ऑप्शन।
बीच में बस डबल क्लिक करिए ना।
तो प्ले हो जाएगा वो?
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, प्ले नहीं होगा, आप बीच में क्लिक तो करो, बस हो गया।
प्ले करने के लिए करना पड़ेगा ना, प्ले कैसे होगा?
बस ये नीचे आ तो रहा है ब्लिंक, वहां से
अच्छा।
प्ले करिए।
हाँ, यार।
प्ले कर दीजिए, 3 बज गया, अभी 2 मिनट तो लगेगा ना।
पब्लिक आ गई एक बार।
हाँ सर, आ तो गई है, रुकिए ना।
क्योंकि ना फीडबैक पे आता नहीं है क्वेश्चन, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा रहेगा, तो देख ले एक बार।
नहीं सर, फीडबैक इस बार भी अच्छे आए हैं, भेजे
हाँ, नहीं,
देख।
पिछली बार तो अच्छे आए हैं। उसको वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, वो इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब पब्लिक आ गई ना, एक बार वो देख
हाँ
ले
हाँ।
बस।
हाँ सर, आप लाइव, मैं लाइव कर रहा हूँ।
कर दो स्टार्ट।
हाँ, कर दीजिए। Good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to Tata Do Big Forum on Boost Business using modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solution. We are all are logged in on a listen only mode. for 1 hour long webinar. Will be having 50 minutes of presentation followed by 10 minutes of question answer. In case you have any query, request you all to post your question in a box on your right hand side stating Q&A. We will take your question post presentation. Going forward, we would like to have your opinion on some of our poll, which will be again live on your screen right hand side, where you can just click on the poll button. Our first poll is live now. What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruption, availability of finance, business continuity, or business growth / expansion. Request you all to please participate. We would like to have your opinion to understand you and your company better. Five more seconds. Thank you very much. Moving on to our next poll, which is live now at your screen. What are the top 3 area of investment for your companies? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, upgrading infrastructure, operation, marketing, and sales. You can select multiple option. Maximum 3 are allowed. Request you all to please take out time and just please fill the poll. Thank you very much. Moving on to our third poll, which is live now. Which of the following Tata Tele offering are you aware of? Collaboration solution, IoT solution, connectivity solution, cloud and SaaS, security solution. Ten more seconds. Thank you very much. Moving on, today we have Amit Chadda, Senior Manager Marketing, who will be taking care from Tata Tele Business Service, who will be discussing about our today's topic. Over to you, Amit.
Thank you, Sudesh. I hope my voice is clear and my video is visible and also the PPT.
Yes.
Thank you. So good evening, everyone. My name is Amit Chadda, and I will be taking you through modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. So this is a very challenging time, and every organizations are facing big time challenges to improve their operational efficiencies and growth. Also, the economy of organizations are disturbed due to this pandemic. But during this pandemic, telecom companies are playing a very crucial role and enabling you to run your business efficiently during work from home, or you can say work from anywhere. And Tata Tele Business Services is one of them. So I start with a quote like in the long history of humankind, those who learn and collaborate and improvise most efficiently have prevailed, said by Charles Darwin. You learn, you live, you evolve. Product needs to evolve in order to meet the rising need of the market and as per the scenario. So I would be covering technological landscape, SME landscape, challenges faced by SMEs, question and answer, and the important thing is the products which can help you to grow your businesses. So the only thing that is constant is change. So we hear it often, and it's so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So I have added one more phrase to it called as disruption. So now it's like the only thing that is constant is change and as well as disruption. So what's happening to the SMEs? So what is their focus area? Or key trends enabling agility for SME, which includes BCP, that is business continuity plan, how to continue the plan. Yeah, most of the SMEs are focusing now on cloud and also on security because they want their data to be secured as people are working from home. So security is a major concern. Cloud, they are shifting from on-premise to cloud, and business continuity process. So business continuity plan. So what are the plans? First is lower business interruption costs, act according to plan, whatever they have decided, resume operations immediately. Some of the SMEs have started in full fledged, some in half, but they have started. Now, again, we have to fulfill the regulatory compliance. Security, as I told you, it is critical. Security is critical because people are working from home. The data is very secured, and also to create an integrated risk management system within themselves. These are basically the business continuity plan which SMEs are looking forward. So business challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. So business challenges which involve like employee tracking, like keeping a track of employee to follow work from home protocol. If someone is working, then how we can track it, if he's working or not. Collaboration, unable to connect distance team member face to face and unable to connect to customers face to face. Meetings have been less during this pandemic time. Accessibility to servers application, unable to access office data application due to security reasons. Physical travel to the office or iMobile, unable to use access office infrastructure, lack of security, and accessibility to voice infrastructure, unable to use your EPBX or PBX infra, which was there in the office, and your desk phones. That is voice regulations. So it isn't disruption if you're ready for it. Disruption is coming. The difference between panic and pause is preparation. By going digital, you give your organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunity. So basically, the companies who were using digital means were less impacted rather than the companies who were not using this particular digital were largely impacted. Digital adoption by Indian SMEs. So smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the full business potential of SMB and SMEs in the current scenario. 43% of the SMEs use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs believe 75% of the SMEs in India believe that the digital adoption is the key of their success, and 73% of the Indian SMEs are confident about bouncing back post COVID. So these sources are from SMEstreet.in. So moving on to the five simple guidelines on technology. Like, what are the five simple guidelines on technology for SMEs? First is rent it, do not own it. As obsolescence is a huge burden, technology is not a real estate that will appreciate. Second is select fit for purpose versus scale down large solutions, as SME needs are unique and simple. SME business process evolve constantly. Next is bill as you grow, pay as you use, as unused capacity is costly, and use your capex to grow your core business. Look for integrated solution versus silos of product. So nowadays, if you're going for integrated solution, that will benefit you because in general, the cost of integration is 10x the cost of the products, and onus will be on you to ensure everything fits together. And last and the important, that is ensure there is a support. When I say support, because IT talent is getting expensive, and ensure your support is linked to your spend and not a fixed cost. So these are basically the five simple guidelines on technology for the SMEs. Now moving on to the products like part, that is smart solutions. So what does the smart solutions means to you? So smart solutions are the products provided by Tata Tele Business Services and TTBS, that is Tata Tele Business Services strengths. We have 60,000 plus connected building, 1,25,000 kilometer of optical fiber, 1,000 plus strong enterprise team, 40,000 plus business customers, 1,500 plus channel partners, 60 plus cities we are covered in. When I say 60,000 connected buildings or 1,25,000 kilometer of optical fiber, so all the SMEs who are present today can be connected to our fiber network because most of them, like 90 to 95% of them, are connected to our network. So about the product portfolio, like we As a Tata Tele Business Services, our one-stop shop solution provider, we provide connectivity, that is internet lease lines, MPLS, lease lines, PRI, SIP, MPLS VPN, Hub Connect, Smart Internet, Ultra Lola. Security solutions, we have recently added this portfolio. Email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, multi-factor authentication. Collaborations, we have document management system, conferencing and webcasting services, and international bridging services. For cloud and SaaS, it was managed hosting, cloud CRM, hosted IVR, co-location, and now we have launched Smart Pro, our cloud communication suite. Also, we have marketing solutions like call register services, hosted IVR, toll-free services, and IoT solutions like asset management, fleet management, school bus tracking, and workforce tracking. So I'm not going to talk about all in detail. I'm not going to talk in detail about all the products. I'm going to talk about 4 or 5 products which can be of your use in the current scenario. And the first one to move on is smart internet. Everyone uses internet in some form or the other. So internet is basically in the current scenario. So recently we have started smart internet considering work from home. So there are a lot of organizations, they were not able to access their office internet during work from home. Um, because of security reasons. So we started a service called Smart Internet. Along with the internet, we are provisioning UTM and VPN clients. So once this infrastructure is in place, the work from home users can access all the office internet applications as well. So smart internet is basically internet plus security feature, that is UTM, that is Unified Threat Management. It is a one-stop solution for all your needs of bandwidth because manageability, work from home, and scalability you can do. It guaranteed you peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capabilities. Gives you freedom from worries, that is like difficulty in ownership, deployment, router management, configuration. Nothing has to be done at your end. Automatically, when we are providing smart internet, we are provisioning ILL along with unified threat management. The product features of smart internet are: one is it provides secure VPN access, user authentication, it manages security, it is next generation GUI enhances, and this particular product is plug and play and easy to use. In terms of financial, it comes with zero capex. You don't have to pay any additional capex. Higher return on investment. It reduces your operation cost and gives you better employee productivity. For business, it is work from home, work from anywhere, and it is scalable as per your business needs. And this is a future ready product. So smart internet, basically smart digital adoption is the key of unlocking the full business potential to the SMEs. So smart internet is basically bundled with UTM with no additional cost. This is a cost-effective solution wherein you have to pay affordably monthly rental that starts with 249 per user. It is totally scalable. It starts with 15 users and go up to 5,000 users. It has wide range of bandwidth. It comes from 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps as standard offerings. Feature rich with zero capex, no capex investments, and come with the utility of UTM. It is plug and play and it is easy to install. So basically, this is a smart internet is basically internet plus the security feature of UTM which we are providing. To give you a case study, so there is a operation management company which was a global presence across the world, giving 14 by 7, 24 by 7, 365 capabilities, and they are into marine operations. They wanted reliable remote access solution by which they can connect to their international clients as well as offices locations in India to serve in timely manner. So how TTBS provided the solution was like we provided them with our smart internet, which is a complete solution compromising of remote access, managed services, and security backed UTM. They evaluated our expertise in providing the current cutting edge solutions in the space. So they evaluated our expertise in providing the cutting edge solution in the space and deployed remote access for their employees and keeping them update every minute for their customers. So this was a case study from Rayan SIP Management. So moving on to the next product, that is Smart Office. So Smart Office is basically a one box startup. So it is basically a box, a bigger box like a router, which will give you voice, data storage and application. When I say voice, data storage and application, it will give you voice, data, Wi-Fi, office applications you can install. You can install your business applications. You can install as a, you can use it as a firewall. You can use it for the toll-free number. And this particular box is also IoT enabled, and you can use for the conferencing services as well. So this particular box is one stop shop for your office setup. Because in the current scenario, setting up a new office in an office is not easy for a size of 40 to 50% or might be a 30, 20 to 40%. So you require a hardware for storage, you require data and information security. You have to start with the broadband and then you have to upgrade it later depending upon the size of your organization, depending upon your usage. You require equipment, router, Wi-Fi, PBX, LAN, etc. The best quality voice and data, which is getting expensive. Also, you like office business applications for your uses, and for managing all these things, you require a specialized IT resource. And for managing all this, you require a AMC to be done, right? So this particular box, that is Smart Office box, we are giving free of cost. Only you have to pay for the services, that is voice and data. In terms of voice, how many channels you require. In terms of data, how many much bandwidth you require. This box will be given free of cost to you. So value proposition of Smart Office, it is one-stop solution for communication and application needs, as it will give you voice, data, Wi-Fi application, business application, IoT enabled box. You will get integrated solution, everything through one particular box. You don't have to pay any capex and no AMCs, as only you have to pay for the services, that is data services and voice services. And this is a future ready product. So Smart Office, basically it supports 96 telephone extensions, wherein 32 extensions are analog extensions, and you can connect your analog phone instruments, and rest 64 are the IP extensions. And you can connect your IP phone, whether it's a soft phone or a hard phone. So basically it has best of both the worlds. When I say best of both the worlds, you can use your analog phones and your IP phones through this particular box, that is Smart Office box. You can reduce your telecom cost for daily communication of the organization. Your MD might require a video phone, but your guard may require an analog phone. So depending upon which phone to be used, you can you can fix at the premises. So this particular product is called as Smart Office. So Smart Office fulfills the need of new startups, SOHOs upgrading from broadband, new branch setup offices, or business upgrading their legacy, that is hardware and softwares, or the small companies who are growing up. So this particular box is called as Smart Office, which can be used and it can be easily installed. Moving on to the next product, that is toll-free services. So most of you might be aware of, there are two types of toll-free numbers in India that start from 1800 and 1860. So 1800 is full toll-free number, while 1860 is a partial toll-free number. So need to pay the local call charges. So 1800, it is a call free. So it is free for the customer and full cost to the companies. 1860 number series, it is local call cost to the customers per minute as per agreement cost to the companies. So features of toll-free numbers are: one is geography-based pinpoint of call routing. It gives you a real treatment, customized call treatment. Second is time-based routing. It manages time and date distribution accurately. It optimizes call center and manpower cost. Proposition and call distribution. It balances call load at various locations. Suppose you have one number and you have two branches, one in Pune and might be one in Bombay or Delhi. So you can balance call load at various your locations. You can optimize your call center and manpower cost. You can also have condition-based routing. Caller never hears a busy signal, no calls are missed, and customers are serviced all 365 days. For pin-based routing, it gives customized treatment to each caller. You can screen all the incoming call, and it optimizes call center and manpower cost. So why to have our toll-free services? So first is we have pan-India coverage. We provide 24 by 7 monitoring by our network operating center, and our state-of-art digital network allows quick and easy rerouted during emergencies. So this was about the toll-free services. That is 1800 and 1860 numbers. So in the current scenario, you can use 1800 series and 1860 series for your business and operations. As we everyone knows, like enabling a communication setup earlier at the time of pandemic was not so easy. So there were questions like how do we set up a distributed call center quickly, because it was totally locked down. People were working from home. People were working from home. Offices were closed. So how do we mass call of employee calling clients from their personal numbers? As face-to-face interactions have reduced, how do we connect better with the clients? So we come up with a solution called as hosted IVR. So hosted IVR is basically a very good solution for work from home. By using this solution, you can make and receive calls during work from home. We provide toll-free number or TN which your customers can dial, and call can be directly routed on your mobile phone. So generally this solution is used by customer care type of setup, but we have done the customization and enabled it for work from home. So basically need for hosted IVR, it is one is work from anywhere, better ROI, easy to scale up and down, and reports and complaints within a click of a button, you will get all the details of the reports. So hosted IVR basically is an interactive voice response, is a cloud-based voice application that allows business efficiently connect with user customers. So like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing. So moving on to the features of hosted IVR. So hosted IVR basically it is like you can quickly set up a distributed call center, or you can quickly install hosted IVR. It has a seamless customer connect. Agents can receive customer calls on their mobile while working from home. It has a dynamic call routing. Termination number can be changed in few seconds of your own. Call hunting to the multiple agents. So if one is busy, the call can be answered by other person. Analytics, you can track team's performance, call quality, missed call through real-time analytics. So this particular product is called as hosted IVR, which we have developed, and people are using these services. Just to give you a case study on IVR, so it was a company, a global design and engineering company. They were looking for a solution because the company was looking to switch from the desk-based to a cloud-based IVR to help their employees with the IT issues in the current work from home scenarios. So basically, the solution which we gave was uh, so this company was working in two shifts earlier. It was morning shift like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and second shift that is 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So basically, we discovered that the system to provide them support on 24/5 basis with two separate shift timings. So we designed and provided customer with a separate call hunting group. So morning shift, the call is routed to one group of numbers, and likewise for the evening to the other group of numbers. So deployment was fast. That is, IVR deployment was done very fast to meet the customer's deadline. So the benefit the customer got was first, business continuity during lockdown, better employee satisfaction, and efficient and cost-effective solution. So this particular solution is called as hosted IVR. So we also have a product called as international bridging. So as the name suggests, international bridging is useful for if you are working, if you're managing any international projects or interacting with international customers, then this is a best solution for you. This is end-to-end PSTN solutions, so you will get a very good voice quality. So so basically, from international bridging, the employee can make international calls while working from home without any ISD packages. So features are it optimize ISD costs, It avoids purchase and prevent misuse of the ISD minutes. It has a secure calling features, password protected ISD calling at employee level. It is simple to use. Employee can call from anywhere and any phone, and it protects privacy, that is protect privacy of employees caller personal number, that is your mobile number, by masking it on the international call. So this particular product is called as international bridging solution. So moving on to the next product, that is hosted OBD. So basically hosted OBD is a platform wherein you can send a recorded message to a large number of people. So generally you have seen during the time of election, you are receiving a call and here recorded message. So this is the same platform. So hosted OBD is basically an automated outbound dialing solution on a hosted platform. So features of hosted OBD are: it is available as a web-based API. It has a campaign lifecycle management tool, D&D management. It has an online call flow designer to create and manage customized call flow. Business advantages: no capital investment is required, telco grade services, high reliability. It is a cloud solution, scalability on demand, and professional services. So from this particular solution, you can send lakhs of telephone messages on the mobile phone within a click of a button. Just you have to design a campaign, you have to create a campaign, you have to upload the voice recorded message, whatever you want to send, and within a click of a button, automatically lack of number can be covered within 3 to 4 hours time. So just to give you a case study, like how this particular solution can be integrated and how we have helped them. So Asus, basically the customer had a huge volume requirement for customer service, and they required to manage excessively large volume of incoming calls from the customer, that is 3,000 to 4,000 calls per day. And again, this company was working from, as most of the employees were working from home. So the solution which we provided was, we provided first with the high speed internet lease line, that is for the connectivity on the fiber. Then we provided them with the audio conferencing to provide a one-stop solution for the collaboration needs, so that all the numbers can be routed. And we provided them with a toll-free number line for parallel business to manage large call volume, receiving calls from anywhere in the country based on business process and requirement. And then they were able to send the messages to the teams as well. This product is called as hosted OBD. Moving on to the next product, that is security solution. So security, why security is required? Security is required while browsing net, while protecting company servers, while checking emails, while working from home. So nowadays, if you see, everyone wants to be secure, right? Everyone wants to be secure. So companies, so just to give you an example, like when we are going to the airport, right? So first, there is a lot of screening, like first level of screening is done by CRPF Jawan, asking your PAN card or details. Then we move for the counter. Again, we have to show the PAN card or our Aadhaar card. Then again, after that, we are going and passing the security check-in. So the security is again checking. So basically, everyone is doing security check-in, right? So same way, another example of Ola and Uber, like when you are going and riding through Ola, you get a OTP. You get a OTP. You have to give that OTP to a driver, and then he will start the journey. So this is required because every company wants security, and every company wants the data to be secured. And if they are in the service industry, everyone to be, the employee should be, employees or the customer should be secure. So there have been a rise in cyber attacks since COVID-19 outbreak. So there has been a rise in cyber attacks as most of the people are working from home. BSE has also warned about cyber attack amid coronavirus lockdown. And Checkpoint researchers discovers that hackers pushing coronavirus app to take the over the Android devices. So why a cyber security is required? So it is required to protect your applications and hardwares, So we have full suite of cybersecurity solutions which can help you to protect your applications, that is email and hardware like laptop, mobile phone, etc. So for this, we have come up with this product called as endpoint security. So endpoint security is very important for the organization to protect their assets during work from home. Endpoint security is playing a great role here. It is a kind of an antivirus software, but it is more than an antivirus. This particular endpoint solution can work as a soft firewall, and you can configure it as a firewall policy. So generally in work from home, there is no firewall. Hence, this is a very effective and a cost effective solution, that is endpoint security. So just to give you a component of security offerings, one is in terms of product, second is in terms of services. In terms of product, we have data security, endpoint, network security. Services, we have consulting, testing, operation, and incidents response. So few use cases, that is risk mitigation for new ways of working as we are working from home. So one is accidental device misuse, second is user behavior, and third is always connected, as most of the people are always connected to a network which is not secure. So this particular product, that is endpoint security, is supported by Windows PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac operating systems, Android smartphones. Features include antivirus. This is antivirus, anti-spamware, component updates, firewall, URL filtering, full disk encryption, role-based administration. And this particular product, that is endpoint security, is powered by global leader, that is Trend Micro. So we have done a partnership with Trend Micro to provide security services for our customers, that is SME customers, because we believe that Tata Tele Business Services can be a one single stop solution for the all the SME and enterprise customer needs. So just to give you a comparison, so you must be seeing this Dubig. So Dubig is basically Tata Tele Business Services security solution, and it will come with a competitive pricing along with all the features the other competitors are providing. So this particular product is called as endpoint security. So moving on to the next and important product, that is Smart Flow. So SmartFlow is our cloud telephony solution, which is 100% hosted solution, and there is no infra required like EPBX and physical connectivity like PRI and SIP trunk at your office. So you can save your infrastructure cost here. All the features generally used in case of in-house setup, all are available in SmartFlow. You can make dial out call to your customers. You can receive incoming call from the customers. Your call can be transferred. You have the call whisper feature, call bargain features. Everything is there, whatever is there on the fixed line, that is PRI and SIP trunk. So also we support API integration so that you can integrate this with your applications like CRM, SMS, and WhatsApp, etc. Also, we are offering multiple level IVR and call broadcasting by this proposition through this Smart Flow product. All the incoming and outgoing calls can be recorded for your audit and training purposes. You can find a complete CDR reports and missed call information through this. And this is a very good solution for work from home because this is 100% cloud telephony solution. So why to have a smart flow? First is anytime, anywhere communication. It allows business mind to grow further from their cubicle. You don't require any connectivity solutions like PRI and SIP. Okay, so you can take a login and you can give it to your employees. They can work from home. They can dial any number whatever you want, and you will get all the details as well. So second is it frees employees from their desk, allows employees to communicate on the go. It reduces your operational and capital cost. No bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone is required. It can be used from your normal laptop as well. Work across devices from landlines to smartphones, no infrastructure and maintenance cost. This is an enterprise grade security and reliability. Like it has a RESTful API features like click to call and number masking. It has business continuity, that is 99.5% uptime, customizable admin portals and access rights. It gives you reports and analytics to track your agents and project performance. Within a click, you can get what all calls have been dialed, how many dialers, how many calls have been dialed, how many missed calls you have received, what agent has done, how many number of calling, what everything in detail you will be getting to this particular product. This is on demand scalability. If you want to increase the number of channels, you can do it. So it gives you ultra flexible, enables you to adapt quickly. Enhance customer experience. When I say enhance customer experience, it provides seamless and frictionless customer experiences. AI, which manages call routing with smart IVR menus, and this is a plug and play API integration within multiple applications. It is easy to install and plug and play. So why to have our smart flow? Because we can provide you solutions for the inbound solution. We have click to call solution, we have missed call solution, and also the OBD solution. So inbound solutions we can link it with toll free numbers, virtual numbers. You have an integration. Click to call, we can give you click to call from panel or website. OTP based calling if you want, number masking, COD verification. For missed call solution, SMS based services, that is OTP based calling, missed call with outbound integration, missed call with IVR flow. OBD solution, that is DTMF based outbound blast, unlimited routing level integrations of outbound and inbound flow. So this is basically a smart flow. So smart flow is our cloud telephony solution, which is 100% hosted solution, and no connectivity like PRI and SIP is required at your office. And it will save your infrastructure cost as well. Just to give you a case study, so basically a mid-sized BPO with 500 agents working across multiple processes like customer services, lead management, vendor onboarding, and document verification. So we provided them with a solution. Uh, One is hosted contact center, which offers a complete call center operation management features like blended queue, built-in CRM integration, agent panel, call barging features, providing call back sticky agent sentiment analysis, which can be done, and detailed analytics and reporting, which can be done to this hosted contact center. We provided them with our AI, which manages all the call routing features with smart IVR, and customers' privacy is ensured by number masking. So basically it's a basically you can log into the website, you can go and click on dial number, whatever number you want to dial, you can dial it from that particular laptop, and automatically the call will be given on to the other person. So no infrastructure is required, and this is 100% hosted solution. So some of the key benefits from Tata Tele services. One is this is an innovative product. Has best reach. It has bundle services, best SLAs, and transparency to self-care portal. So within a click of a button, you can get track every performance of the individual performance of the employees as well. Moving on to the collaboration tool, that is Zoom. So Zoom, everyone might be aware, and they will be thinking like how Tata and Zoom, because Zoom is a different company and Tata. So we have partnered with the Zoom because we want all the enterprise solutions to be given by Tata Tele Business Services as one stop solution for the SMEs and the enterprise segments. So we have partnered with Zoom. So as a leading business provider of digital solution, Tata Tele Business Services has a deep understanding of customers' need in SME and enterprise segment, and our partnership with Zoom will be provided with business will provide business with highly unified communication solutions. And with these solutions, business can put all your communication concern to us and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted services and user-friendly interface and robust security. So Zoom comes in two format. One is Zoom meeting, second is Zoom webinar. So Zoom meetings are basically the meetings which can be done by employee, like that can be done by anyone. So Zoom webinar. So this particular webinar is also being hosted on Zoom platform, and you guys are attending the Zoom webinar, which is integrated with the application. So with Zoom webinar, you can host online events with up to 100 interactive video participants and 10,000 attendees. Automatically, it records event for use and publishes. So Zoom advantages, one stop for SMEs. TTBS has a range of services, solutions, and offering SMEs and help them accelerate their digital transformation journey. Robust security, it protects all your meeting with multiple layer of security, that is password protection, and waiting rooms can be leveraged for more secure meetings. It has a trusted services, manages services with the reporting by TTBS with a comprehensive SLAs, user-friendly interface, simply easy to use product, and tools for seamless collaboration across office and home of working space. So features of Zoom are first is security. It protects all your meeting with multiple layer of security. Advanced data protection. All your data is protected as communication and established via 256 bit TLS encryption. Privacy. Zoom was designed from ground up to support user privacy and incorporates policies and control to protect your information with care it deserves. It has a cloud-based recording. Recording can be stored either locally or via Zoom cloud-based storage facility. You can have a remote device access, that is remote device control. You can allow a fellow participant to temporarily control your keyboard and mouse to facilitate some complicated exchange and interactions over the web. Uh, it has a superior meeting experience like Zoom service features, high definition video, interactive meetings, background noise, and continual performance optimization of which contributes to a superior web experience for the customers or the employee or the end users as well. So these were some of the features of Zoom. So with this, I am moving to the last important portfolio, that is IoT portfolio. So we have product like smart fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, asset tracking. Smart fleet tracking is used by cargo logistic companies, manufacturing companies, pharmaceutical companies. School bus tracking is used by school and colleges, ITS companies are using it. Workforce tracking is used by marketing research, FMCG agencies to better the productivity, to increase the productivity. So you can geofence, you can do the geofencing of your team, and once the team is whatever wherever they are going, you will be getting the update for the same. Also, we have access asset tracking, so it is used by courier and logistic companies. So we have an entire a huge product portfolio which can be used by the SMEs, and you guys can leverage these products. So like that's it from my side. Hope these smart solutions will help you to improve your operational efficiencies and growth. So if you have any questions, I am happy to answer you. With this thing, you can visit our website, that is www.tatatelebusinesses.com. You can subscribe to us through LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. From our website, you can go and check what all services can be of your use. You will get all the white paper or case studies and video testimonies of customers in this website along with the product detail. So that's it from my side. I'm hoping that these smart solutions will help you to improve your operational efficiencies and growth. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. It was very informative and very well good insight on on the products. Going forward, audience, we have one last poll, which is based on the presentation that what has been shared by Amit. The poll is live again on the right side of your screen in the poll icon, and it is live now. Based on the presentation that what Amit has shared, what of which of our product and solution are you interested? Cybersecurity, IoT solution, voice connectivity, dedicated internet bandwidth, or Zoom? Request you all to please submit your interest. You have 10 more seconds to submit your poll option. Thank you very much. Right now, we don't have any question. So we moving forward, and we will wait for another 1 minute, so that if anybody has the any query, any question, Amit is here to answer it. Meanwhile, we would also request you to please submit the feedback, which is again in the icon on poll. When you will click the first feedback, which is on the speaker inside. What's your overall experience on the speaker? Excellent, good, average, poor. Please request you all to please participate. It will help us to improve ourselves further. The next one is on the overall experience of this webinar. Request you all to submit your feedback. It is very important for us. You can just choose excellent, good, average, poor. Thank you very much. Moving on to our third poll, a third feedback from question is about the product insight. How you will rate our product insight? Excellent, good, average, poor. And the last about the overall experience of the platform. Request you all to please submit your feedback. Thank you very much. Amit, we don't have any question right now.
So thank you, Swadesh, and thank you, audience, for joining on time. Thank you. Hope you like the session.
And thank you once again, participant. Be safe, be healthy, take care of yourself and your family members, and request you all to please follow the COVID protocols. Thank you. We are ending the webinar here.